Confidence isn't knowing you'll win. It's trying anyway. You'll never feel truly ready for the moments that matter most. And you know what? That's okay. Doubt doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. The real question isn't, do I feel ready? It's, will I act anyway? The path forward isn't found by waiting, but by taking that first step, even when you're not sure where it leads. You see, real confidence isn't built on having all the answers or knowing for certain how things will turn out. It's built on self-trust. It's that quiet inner voice that says, I don't know how this will end, but I'm going to begin anyway. You just have to trust that whatever happens, you have the strength and resilience to handle it. Think about it. Real growth doesn't start when you magically feel confident. It starts the moment you stop waiting and start proving to yourself that you are capable. Self-trust is your foundation, not certainty. So many of us wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect feeling. But let's be honest, perfection is often just a delay tactic. It's a clever disguise our fear wears to keep us from starting. The truth is, action creates clarity. Every small step you take, whether it's typing that first sentence, showing up for practice, or just speaking your mind in a meeting, teaches you something valuable. The more you act, the quieter that voice of doubt becomes, because tangible proof starts to replace a vague fear. You don't need to wait to feel ready. Just start, and readiness will find you along the way. And what about when you stumble? When things don't go as planned? It's crucial to reframe how you see failure. Every mistake isn't a final verdict. It's just data. It's feedback telling you what to adjust for the next attempt. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's an essential part of the journey toward it. When you stop fearing failure, you unlock a new level of freedom. You start moving without the weight of perfection on your shoulders. Because true, lasting confidence isn't built in a flawless performance. It's forged in persistence, in getting back up and in trying again. So remember this. Confidence isn't about knowing you'll win. It's about knowing you'll keep showing up for yourself no matter what. Doubt will whisper and fear will linger. That's part of the deal. But your job is to act anyway. Because the moment you do, you stop waiting for confidence and start becoming it. Act first. Confidence will follow. Thank you so much for watching. If this resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more content to help you on your journey.